it pretty fast, and then they're best friends again. Right, Raven? Yeah, you're a good girl. What do you see, Moose? We're in Vermont, USA. Let's see what Raven's doing. What are you doing, Raven? You're a good girl. You're drooling. Yeah, there you go. Yes, you're a good girl. Here comes Moose. He's jealous. You jealous that Raven was getting pet? Yeah. They can do some damage if they really want to. They are big, strong dogs. Look at you guys, both sitting like good puppies. Say hi, Raven. Good girl. Hey, no, we welcome the information. You know from experience. You too, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. You smell something good? You laying down on that cool concrete? Nice and cold. The air temperature's nice and cold. I think it's supposed to snow a little tonight, then turn to rain tomorrow. We're getting a whole mixed bag of weather coming up. No more warm weather for another week. It's gonna be in the 30s and 40s. What do you think, Raven? Yeah, they can smell and hear things miles away. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you. Yeah. Get that out of here. On that note, I think we're gonna go back inside. You guys ready to go inside, puppies? Thanks for joining us, everybody. Yeah, you never know who you're gonna get on YouTube. You ready to go inside? What do you think, Raven? What do you puppies think? We going in?